Well, I've just arrived at Farnham Honda because I've had the call. My new Hornet SP has arrived. I wasn't expecting it to the 3rd of March. It's come a couple of weeks early, so that's absolutely fantastic. So we're going to go walk around the showroom, see if I can find it and have a little look over my new machine. I can't wait. New motorcycle day. Woohoo! Somewhere in here is my new bike. Let's go and have a look, see if we can find it. That's cool. Look at these special CBR600s. It's tasty, isn't it? I wonder if this is my one. This could be mine here. This could be mine here. Aha, there's the man.
Hi John, how are you?
Yeah, very well, thank you.
Good.
Very well, thank you.
Good.
Where is it then? Which one's mine?
So
Which
she's
one's
just
mine?
over here.
It is this one, is it?
It is the one you were looking
it must be. There she is, new bike. Glory. New bike. Oh, I spotted the yellow one there and thought, is that a standard one? And then it's a custom job, is it, the yellow?
Yeah, so we, someone ordered this one and when it came in we had the panels taken off of it.
Yeah.
And sent to a company to be painted. And it's actually been painted in NSX yellow.
Oh, is it NSX?
Yeah,
oh,
it's
is it
NSX
really?
yellow. So same as the NSX.
Yeah.
But it looks fantastic. Obviously, it's just missing its decals at the moment.
So just got to put those on.
But I think once it's finished, it will look brilliant.
Yeah, well, he's not going to see another one, is he, on the yellow?
Absolutely.
But anyway, where's mine? Where's mine? Could we get it out so I can have a sit on and all that business? Yeah.
I'll pull it into the middle here.
Brilliant. Thanks, Noah. And that's the red one I forgot to show when I did the
Well,
did the video. Everyone's asking, well, you forgot to show the red one. There's the red one. But never mind the red one. Here we go. Oh, looks good. Looks good. So you're selling more SPs than standards, are you? Is that the way it's going?
Definitely. I mean, at the moment we've got probably upwards of 25 SPs on order.
25,
yeah.
Really? Yeah, we've got the stylemas.
They seem to be trickling through.
So differences on the SP, you've got the little valve on the exhaust, and if you can see it there. So you've got the exhaust valve, which obviously the standard doesn't have. It also comes with the stylema calipers, and of course the Olin shock, isn't it? Mm-hmm. The Olin shock is lurking.
Nice gold piggyback there
inside. There it is.
And obviously the all-important 5 brake horsepower.
5, yeah, so about 4 Newton meters of torque as well. A little bit more torque as well.
Yeah, a little bit more torque too.
And the quick shifter. There's the quick shifter as well.
It's all down to the valve in the exhaust as well.
Is that the only difference, isn't it? It's the shock, the power, the valve, stylema calipers, and the quick shifter.
Also the quick shifter as standard.
Yeah.
So you've got more power, more torque, better brakes, better rear suspension.
Wow.
And
She looks mean. She looks mean. Spin around.
I would turn it on to show you the lights, but because it's pre-PDI,
nothing's
battery's not connected, nothing.
She is brand spanking new.
Obviously, we've got a couple of extras to go on.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to do a bit of the PDI, aren't we? Yeah. So what's going to happen is, we can't ride it yet because obviously it's not road registered, so we're going to try and pick a registration. And
yeah, we're going to pick one today.
See if we can find an LCR reg. I doubt it, we'd be very lucky.
I've had a quick look.
There's no LCR edges. Oh, can't have it all, can I? Can't have it all. And then we're going to do the PDI. So we're going to come back and record the PDI process to sort of show what happens. Because I've ordered some extras for this as well, some of the official extras. So I won't give away what I've bought yet, you'll have to wait. But they will be fitted as part of the PDI process. But in sheer beauty, the only thing with the SP, it comes in the matte paint. And I always swore I'd never buy a bike with matte paint because it's really hard to look after. You can't, you know, if you make any mark on it, you can't get the marks out because you end up polishing the paint. So I did always swear I would never buy a bike with matte paint, but unfortunately the SPs only come in the matte paint. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to get it ceramic coated So we're going to ceramic coat this as well before it goes on the road, because obviously it's only mid-February, the roads are covered with salt. I'm going to get the whole thing ceramic coated before she goes on the road. And that will also protect the matte paint. So with the ceramic coating, that should give an extra layer of protection to the matte paint as well. So hopefully that'll be enough to protect her. But oh, she looks lovely. Gold wheels. Can't beat black and gold wheels in my book. Beast. So we get that sort of stuff. Does Honda UK send all that out to the dealers?
It just sort of turns up.
Really? Just
and it's, yeah, our advertising material. So it was the 750 Hornet we had on there.
Yeah, yeah.
We had a few of those. But yeah, this turned up the other day.
Yeah.
And obviously it goes straight up because it's
the new one.
Model, yeah.
And a couple of weeks time, you've got the open day, haven't you? Is it the 26th?
26th of February,
26th
Wednesday, yeah, from 6 p.m. till 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So we'll have John McGuinness here.
Yeah.
There'll be free burgers, motorcycle
Free burgers?
Free burgers.
I'm definitely coming. Free burgers.
Free burgers.
Free burgers, I'm going to be
free
here.
Free soft drinks.
So Farnham Honda, 6 till 9, the 26th of February. Come down, meet John McGuinness, and I'm here as well as a bonus, and free burgers. If that don't get you down here, nothing will.
Someone said to me today,
cheers, mate. Thank you
I mentioned the open evening, and he said, ooh, free burgers sounds like more of a deal than meeting John McGuinness. And I thought, what? Surely not. Come on.
Free burger. The place is going to be rammed. Oh, should we have a look at the old registrations then, mate?
Yeah.
See what we got.
I'm not sure what the pool of registrations looks like at the moment, because we're sort of nearing the end of the 74s.
When is the, I guess it's March, isn't it?
It's, yeah.
Swaps over March.
The 1st is.
So how do you choose a reg then? Is it from like DVLA
yeah, so
website?
They give us a pool of registrations that we can choose from, basically.
Okay.
And we just enter in the information once. They all get ported over onto a spreadsheet.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we just enter in the information of the bike. But this is just solely for us to keep records of that. But
so this is what's been allocated to you guys, sort of thing, by the DVLA.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, I didn't know
But we do have obviously our other system where we actually register the bikes.
Yeah.
And keep tabs on what we've got in stock, etc.
Yeah. Okay. That's
quite
the choice. That's the choice.
There is quite a few to choose from still. But
no LCR though.
No LCR, no.
No LCR. Private plate it.
Yeah. I looked for something like HNT as well, Hornet, but...
Oh, did you? Oh, you star. I think I found my number plate. 250 quid. That's not too bad, is it? What a ponce. Private plate as well. That is also very, very tempting. It's the new CBR600RR, painted up in some custom colours to match. I think that's an RS250. I think that's an old RS250 race bike. Well, they've had the 600RR painted up in the same colours, and it looks absolutely awesome. I think they're being presented to the owner. I think there's a couple being done, and they're being presented to the new owners by John McGuinness on the open evening. So, yeah, open evening, 26th. If you're free, come down. I will be here. John McGuinness will be here, and more importantly, free burgers will be here. So there we go. I finally have it. Well, I don't have it yet, but I sort of have it. It's here anyway. I can't ride it yet. So what we're going to do a full PDI video of this bike. So before a bike obviously goes out on the road, it's got to be checked over, the battery's got to be connected. You know, lots of other little activities have to be done by the workshop. So we're going to follow through with the PDI process on my bike. I also then, as I mentioned, want to get some ceramic coating done on it, especially with the matte paint before it goes out on the salty roads. So there's lots and lots of content to come on my new motorcycle, but I'm dead chuffed, and huge thanks to the guys at Farnham Honda for looking after me and putting up with all my silly content creator requirements. So they bent over backwards, so really, really impressed with them. So yeah, if you're interested in the new Hornet, the standard one or the SP, let's be honest, you've got to go for the SP. You can't be like English Biker Dan and get the standard one. You've got to go to the SP, haven't you? Olin shock, stylium calipers, quick shifter standard, extra 5 brake horsepower, for me, it's a no-brainer, but I'll be really interested to see how I get on with the matte finish paint on this. I say always swore I would never ever buy a bike which has a matte finish, but there's no choice with the SPs. They come in this colour and this colour only. So get it all ceramic coated, then see how that holds up. And I do have some accessories to go on this bike, which will be fitted as part of the PDI process as well. So if you are interested in the new Hornet, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, there'll be more of this bike coming this year, and I can't wait to ride it. Won't be long now. Definitely free burgers, isn't it? It's going to turn up. Where's the free burgers? One thing, mate, if you mind, is always forget thumbnail. You take a picture of me stood next to it looking stupid.